Hello everyone, and welcome to our look at the Roykaw brake drum hub assembly for EZGO golf carts. This kit fits electric models from 1982 up and 2 cycle gas vehicles from 1982 to 1993. Each drum features a 3/4 inch center hole and a durable 24-tooth star spline. Please note, these are not for 4-cycle gas models or carts with a keyed axle interface. This assembly installs securely with a standard castellated nut and a thick flat washer for maximum stability. Your package includes 2 heavy-duty brake drums along with 8 lug nuts and 4 flat washers. Upgrade your braking performance today with this reliable replacement kit, specifically designed for a perfect fit. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.